Right guys, it's time to change the cabin pollen filter on the Toyota Aygo. Now on the passenger side under the glove box you will find this compartment where the filter goes. Simply take off the lid and slide out the old filter. Check that out guys, looks like the filter has grabbed a lot of dirt since its last change. Normally you should replace these filters after 15,000 miles. Now there are other types of filters you can purchase that helps protect against other bad particles and odours. For now we'll add this standard one which costs around £10. Make sure you have it the right way up, just like you've taken out the previous one. Slot it in, attach the lid, and you're done. Finally, what I normally do is put down the windows and give a blast of the aircon on all different vents. Take care, peace.